MAC address filtering enhances your T-Mobile network security by controlling which devices can connect. A MAC address is a unique identifier for network hardware. For example, a MAC address consists of 6 pairs of hexadecimal characters, like this. MAC address filtering controls which devices can connect to your network. Whitelisting allows only specific MAC addresses to connect, blocking all others, ideal for guest networks. Blacklisting blocks specified MAC addresses while permitting all other devices. T-Mobile routers like the Nokia 5G Gateway or Arcadian KVD21 offer these filtering options. Access them through a web interface, typically at 192.168.1.1, under Device Management or Advanced Settings. To add a MAC address to your T-Mobile router's whitelist, first connect to your router's Wi-Fi or Ethernet and access the interface via its IP address. Log in with your admin credentials. Navigate to Network, Device Management, MAC filtering, or whitelist. Enter the device's MAC address, select whitelist mode, and save. Finally, reconnect the device to verify the connection. If issues arise, update your router's firmware. Remember that MAC filtering provides a basic level of security and should be combined with WPA3 encryption for robust protection.